Video of Wike plane when e nearly crash na fake. Lere Olayinka. Welcome country people to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, e get one viral video when e come out, when they interpret say na the private jet of the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, and the video e dey show the cockpit where the pilot apparently dey struggle to take control of the plane, and they get voice for the background wey they claim say na Nyesom Wike voice when e dey pray, e dey bind the devil, make the plane not crash. Plenty bloggers and on-air personalities, they don give different account of the situation. E get one when one popular blogger talk, e dey make mockery of the minister. E say wetin concern Jesus and aerodynamics. In dey try to prove say divinity not get any business with science. Well, that na how e understand am reach. Different people dey give their different interpretation. While some dey say, this incident, thank God say e no happen. E go even make the minister now say no, say life not dey hand. E go make am tread carefully and cautiously. Many dey celebrate say the plane or the jet e not crash, depending on who dey talk and which side the person dey. However, now Lere Olayinka, the media aide to the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Nyesom Wike, he don come out to say all the reports by bloggers say the minister almost get involved for plane crash. He say na fake. He say one of such report, he put am out like this, say the minister, Nyesom Wike plane almost crashed today. He can't turn to prayer warrior. He can't dey beg, make God save am. First of all, nothing wrong. The minister na human being. So for him plane to want to crash, if that might be the true situation, and he prayed for God to save am, nobody won't die for plane crash. Whether the person na the strongest man in the world or the weakest man in the world, I don't think say anybody go prefer to die and then make his death come be by plane crash. So nothing wrong if the minister did that kind of situation, he can't choose to pray to the God when he believe, say he go fit save am. And true to type, if the story na true, say na the minister, the plane not crash, na be say God answer in prayers. Now the video when they share, only they show the pilots inside the cockpit, and with the voice when they attribute to Wike show, they ask God to take control. The voice when they talk, Satan, you are a liar. Father, Father, O Jehovah, blood of Jesus, Father, it is time to prove yourself. Jesus, you are in charge. Oh Jehovah, Father, Satan is a liar. Father, save my soul, save my soul, save my soul. Oh, my father, my father. Now that one be the things when the voice, when they allege, say na Wike own, come they talk. Now later they react. He come they give reasons why the video na fake. For in statement when he put on X, when he be formerly Twitter, later say private jet with only you and your friends or family members on board. He say who go record such video? He can't share them on social media. He say na you, your friend or family member. And the plane they get issues on air. Now only your voice they come dey hear. Others they calm. You see dem chop winch abi? You see make una dey use una sense small small. That na how Lere come put am for perspective. Say that story no be true. And that if na private jet as they allege, definitely everybody when e dey inside, they know them. So who wan come dey mischievous, come dey post that type of thing? Of course, they go fit easily trace that kind of person. Na the point when Lere dey attempt to establish na be that one. People still dey react. Like somebody talk, he say Wike plane na Nigeria, whether symbolically or real. He say Wike plane no go crash o. He say because that one mean say Nigeria crash. He say e also dey symbolic. Say sooner or later, the Wike symbolic plane e go crash. He say may God help us. Well, whatever symbolism in dey talk of, na him understand am. But others too dey believe. Say well, if na true, then Wike he needs to be careful. Because the belief they say he does step on many toes. And as such, not many people they wish am well. The question you go want to ask yourself, if they step on toes, is it rightly or wrongly? And as a Christian, if the voice when he emanate from that video not be AI generated, not be fake, if say na true, we can call on God, the God when in they believe on, and that God intervene for am. So it matter wetin anybody they wish am. These are the questions wey need dey beg for answer. Because many they say make you go ask for forgiveness. The question when you go ask now, forgiveness from whom? And forgiveness for what? Who he offend when he won't go ask for forgiveness? Country people, this story when Lere Olayinka don describe as fake, we will take am say Lere correct. However, Wike need to increase in prayer life. And a good thing, say this video don't suggest, say Wike to know how to pray and how to rebuke Satan. After all, Bible tell us, if we hide inside God, when we rebuke Satan, he go flee. Wike rebuke Satan and Satan flee. How you see am?